David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice, your choice, realty. Staging. What's staging anyway? Staging is getting a house already all perfect for sale. Ever walk into a new construction where they have the showcase homes? That is staging. Okay, so why? Why should I stage? Costs me money, right? Yeah, it does. Cost me time? Yeah, probably. But it makes you money. According to HUD, statistics show you're going to sell your home for 17% more on average, with a 586% return on your money. Sale days on market, on average, 45 days versus 102 days. Whoa, why does that happen? Why do we have such great results? I want to know. Do you want to know? I'll tell you why. I don't know why I just became Italian. It shows lifestyle. If you don't have any, say ever go to a vacant house with nothing in it, you don't know what's going on. You know, it'll give you an idea of the lifestyle. If you do it right, it'll show that lifestyle, demonstrate. You make it like pretend the person can't hear any descriptions, only what they see. Oh, here's where you read, you know, because there's some magazines here, some books. You know, this room, oh, it's just for relaxing. Oh, this is a recreation room. There's a ping pong table. Duh. Might not have known otherwise. People just can't seem to visualize very well. Also, you got to remember, you'll be competing against builders or flippers. And a flipper, they make it perfect. I know, I did it once. The house was absolutely perfect. Also, you can take focus off the flaws. For rooms small, we're going to get tiny furniture. For rooms big, we're going to make it and show what it can do. You know, I've been into houses where, like, there's a room, like, what the hell do you do with this? And you try to figure it out. Well, if you have make a reading room out of it, put a computer there or a fake computer and a table and everything. Oh, that could be my office. Duh, perfect. Also, it can highlight the upgrades. Show like, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this backyard is. It has this furniture here. I can see myself. There's the barbecue. It's already there. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have my friends over. Oh, my cousin Jim, he just loves the pool and a barbecue. He'll probably do the work for us. It'll be awesome. You understand the purpose for the rooms and where you're going to make that 17%, that 586% return on investment. It creates hidden value and gets your home sold quicker. That's why we do staging, and that is why it's part of the formula, the recipe for you to get the absolute most for your property. Peace and blessings. This is David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice, your choice realty. I am here for you.